Today, I'm diving deep into the world of butternut squash to see if I can discover all of its incredible health benefits. Butternut squash is often touted as a nutritional powerhouse, and for good reason. Not only is it a staple in many fall recipes, but it's also incredibly versatile. You can roast it, mash it, or even make a delicious soup out of it. We're living in a time where health issues are more prevalent than ever. Poor nutrition, lack of vitamins, and constant fatigue seem to be the norm. And sometimes it feels like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of bad eating habits and mediocre health. But what if I told you there was a way to break free from that cycle? What if I told you that one simple ingredient could make all the difference? One of the main reasons we're not getting the nutrients we need is because our diets are lacking in essential vitamins and minerals. We're eating too much processed food and not enough whole, nutrient-dense foods. And that's where butternut squash comes in. This amazing vegetable is packed with vitamins A and C, potassium and fiber, all of which are essential for maintaining good health. But that's not all. Butternut squash is also incredibly high in antioxidants, which are crucial for fighting off diseases like cancer and heart disease. And let's not forget about its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. So, how can you start incorporating butternut squash into your diet? One of my favorite ways is to roast it with some olive oil and spices and serve it as a side dish. You can also add it to soups and stews for an extra boost of nutrition. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try making butternut squash noodles as a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. Butternut squash is more than just a nutritious ingredient. It's also a powerful tool in the fight against disease. One of the most impressive health benefits of butternut squash is its ability to boost immunity. And we're not just talking about a minor boost, we're talking about a significant increase in immune function that can help keep you healthy all year round. But that's not all. Butternut squash is also rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about its anti-cancer properties, which can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Butternut squash is truly a superfood, and its benefits extend far beyond just immunity and heart health. It's also been shown to improve eye health, reduce inflammation, and even support healthy digestion. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. So, what have we learned today? We've learned that butternut squash is a nutritional powerhouse that can help address some of the most common health issues we face today. We've learned that it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and that it can be incorporated into our diets in a variety of ways. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a favorite butternut squash recipe, be sure to leave it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be diving into the world of plant-based nutrition. Make the background music inspiring, engaging,